Guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you the Miniso sponge review. And the sponge costed me for rupees 250, and it's a teardrop puff in pinky color, which I like. And this is the size of the sponge without wetting it. So let's see how the size increases, how much the size increases, and the softness of it, how it blends everything, and yeah, all of the things. So I'll just be back right after soaking the sponge in water. So this is how the size increases, has increased a lot. It's so squishy and so soft. And let's see now how it blends the foundation and the concealer, and how it applies all the powders on top of it. Let's see if it works. It's really good in rupees 250. So let's get started. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And let's see what it says, how to use it. Dampen sponge slightly. No, you have to just rinse it in water, and till it gets softened. So not slightly, you have to rinse it in water. Apply foundation onto the sponge or directly onto the skin. So what I'm going to be doing, just taking the foundation, dotting on the skin, and then blending with this. Press the sponge slightly over the nose, forehead, cheeks, blah blah blah. Not rub or wipe, you have to press it. Use a smaller end to perfect the areas under eye and around nose and lips. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to be using this foundation. Bit of foundation. Now so I'm going to be pressing it in. So let's see what time it takes the foundation to blend the skin. Wow, it blends really fast. I think it's blending really fast. It's just taking it down to the neck as well. Right now I'm a bit tan, so the foundation is not matching. Yeah. Wow, I like it so much. It just blends like a dream. Okay, I really like it. How it just blends so easily. Wow. It's all real time. I'm not editing this. Wow, I like it. You can see the finish is, I feel hydrated. My god, I love it. And this is what the sponge has absorbed. Not too much, but it has absorbed some of the products, which is what a sponge is for. So yeah, I really like it. So now let's see how it blends the concealer. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer on the eyes. On the eyes. Wow, I love it. Wow, just love this concealer. Oh, sorry. I love the concealer as well. But this is something I'm loving it, yeah. This just blends so quickly. and it's so squishy on the skin. You don't feel like, you're, you know torturing your skin or so. No, it's not like that. It's so squishy and blends really quickly. So I think it's good for the base and for the concealer. And now let's see how it works with the powders. So I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Photo Focus contouring palette, and let's see. We just take this, we're just pressing it. So I've taken the powder and just pressing it in the skin. So according to me, what a sponge should do with the powder, that the face should not look powdery. That's what a sponge is for, if you're using it for the powders. So let's see. And you should not feel dry. You know? Okay, and now I'm using this shade right here for contouring. Okay. So yeah. Oh my god, I like it so much. Okay, you can see, it just really did really a good job. Just place it and blend it. Just gonna take a little bit more. And just contour my forehead and all of that. This I'm gonna cut from the cut it off. So yeah, and now just blend it. And just gonna take it a bit up. Yes. A bit up. So that my face don't look droopy. No, just blending everything into the place. Yeah, it's quite nice. Yeah. So it's a bit, blending powder is a bit hard because it just settles on this, and but otherwise I think it just did a really nice job. I really like it. I'm getting a really nice effect. You have to blend the powders really quick with this, because the powders will settle in the skin, and so that's what I'm seeing right now. But it just did a really good job of cutting the jawline and everything is just so in place. My eyes look bright, my cheeks look contoured. So yeah, I think with that, um, my review was completed, and this sponge is really good. And just one, two, three things I would like to say. Like, I would like to, conclude the review of it. First thing, it's really squishy, really soft on the skin, and it does a really nice job of um, doing the base, the concealer, the powder. Just one thing, you have to work really quick with the powders, otherwise it will settle into the skin. That's not because of the sponge, it will settle because it is a powder. So yeah, so that you have to keep in mind. And other than that, I really like how it did my base, my contour, my highlight, and I'm really happy with it. You can see. I'll be right back after applying some lipstick and everything and all. Everything and all. Okay, yeah. Sorry. So I'll be right back, and I'll make you guys see how I make. And with that, my video completes. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to, um, want more looks from me, please do comment in the comment section below and tell me what kind of looks you want, and I'll do it for you guys. And yeah, I'm really happy how the look has turned out, and hope you also loved it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.